Hi students, this is my second lecture based on JNTU BEE subject. So in this lecture, I am explaining about network reduction technique. Network reduction technique is one of the method to solve an electrical circuit. Here I considered resistance connected in series as well as parallel. Similarly, we can consider inductor and capacitor also. So here R1, R2, R3, three resistance values connected in series. In a series circuit, current will remain same through all the elements. So here I is the current flowing through R1, R2 and R3. And V1, V2, V3 are potential drop across R1, R2 and R3. V is the supply voltage. So we can write the equation for V in such a way that V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Substitute V1, V2, V3 as IR1, IR2, IR3. We can write I into R equivalent equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. So we can cancel I from both sides. R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We can conclude that if we have three resistances which are connected in series, equivalent resistance equal to sum of three resistances R1, R2 and R3. The next circuit is three resistances which are connected in parallel. So we should remember one point here. In a parallel circuit, voltage will remain same. Current will be dividing through the elements. So I is the total current which is divided into I1, I2 and I3. So from Ohm's law, this is Ohm's law triangle. From Ohm's law we can write that I is equal to V by R. So here total current I mentioned as V by R equivalent. V by R equivalent equal to V by R1, that is I1, current flowing through R1 resistance, plus I2. I2 is equal to V by R2, current flowing through R2 resistance. Similarly, plus V by R3. So cancel V from both sides. We can get 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So if we have three resistances which are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance, how we can calculate 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So we have two resistances R1 and R2 which are connected in parallel. Then we can write the formula in such a way that R equivalent equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2.